Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how you can get $500 for the Christmas and even more if you work hard enough. So we're going to go into Play Store and you're going to look for Link, which is LYNK, and this green thing here, this one, you're going to download that. I already have it installed, so I don't need to download that. When you download it, then you're going to look for the app and register. Now, in order for you to register, they're going to ask you for ID, which you need to have your TRN on it, and then they're going to ask you to do a video verification. When you do that, and after you wait for them to activate your account, after they activate your account, you're going to press this and you're going to see $0, right? But in order for you in order for you to claim that $500, you would have to connect, you would have to this slidey thing here, you'll see welcome bonus. When you click the welcome bonus, then you're going to add the code. If you don't see the welcome bonus right here on this slidey thing, what you can do, you go up to this thing here where your initial will be, and then you'll press it. You'll see rewards, go into rewards and you see claim bonus, then you'll enter the code. Now my code is this, so that's what you'll enter to get your $500. And every time you invite someone, you can give them your code and you'll get $250 on top of that $500. So this is an app that NCBS launched. Is somewhat like Cash App. It's Jamaican Cash App. It's not international as yet, but it's good to have something like Cash App out here so we can do businesses and, you know, other stuff. So guys, go there and enjoy this free money before them stop it. So hurry up, use my code and get your free money.